Hello, I'm Mark Wiersma. Thank you for your interest in the Healthcare Career Seeker Inventory. I'm one of the co-founders of JobFitSolutions and appreciate your interest in this assessment. Healthcare employers have a big problem, and that is turnover is very expensive. On average, it costs over $13,000 when an entry-level employee leaves an organization. And we found that more than 70% of that new hire turnover is a result of poor fit, not technical aptitude. The HCSI is an objective assessment that evaluates the behavioral competencies as compared to incumbent healthcare employees. With that information, you can then compare them to specific jobs or job families and guide the right individuals into the right healthcare career. Who wants to work in healthcare today? Everybody wants to work in healthcare today, and yet we all know that many people are not well suited for a career in healthcare. This tool will help you identify those individuals that possess the behavioral competencies that top-performing healthcare employees have. So we provide value on 3 different levels. Number 1, we can make the intake process more objective by looking at the behavioral fit of a career seeker. Secondly, we can compare the behavioral aptitude of career seeker with specific ONET jobs. And thirdly, we can give the career seeker some very specific objective feedback in terms of what their strengths are, also potential development strategies, and then evidence for their portfolio. In regard to the intake process, we know many organizations focus on GPA or work keys or basic skill testing, but many times miss that behavioral fit. So this will capture the behavioral fit as it relates to healthcare, give you benchmark scores, provide a structured interview guide that, again, focuses on key behaviors, and then specific follow-up questions for dialogue around any low scores. We have a menu of healthcare job templates directly from ONET that will allow you to match a person to one or as many of those job templates as you'd like to compare them to, and it will really allow you to understand how their strengths will interface with what's required on the job for that specific career, as well as where there might be some gaps. And then it will also, we have a developmental report that will prescribe specific strategies to help them pursue a developmental action plan. To help individuals pursue their career search, we have a couple of tools that can help them. One is a mock interview so they can understand what good behavioral interviews look like. And secondly, provided they score reasonably well, they have some evidence in their feedback report they could present as part of their portfolio to differentiate themselves from other applicants. If you have interest in learning more, there's a very easy way to take a look at our website and also the various feedback reports, and that is an introductory webinar. You can give me a call or send me an email. We can schedule that at your convenience, and I can learn a little bit more about your initiatives and how this tool might be able to help you. Thank you again for your interest, and I look forward to hearing from you.